In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a responsive header. It's basically just a navigation, but you can do it with your header. So right now I've made a normal navigation, it's not responsive, and when we get it to about this width I want it to change into a responsive header. Now I'm going to be making a video soon in jQuery on how to make a button to make the header show, and then when you click it again it'll hide, so stay tuned for that. So in this video we're just going to make this responsive header. Okay, so the first thing we do is, after all your styles, you want to do the responsive styles after everything else, because as we know in CSS everything gets overridden if you write it again after it. So we're going to be using media queries, so write at media screen, and then we'll just end it like that. And in these parentheses we want to write what are the conditions that will give the styles we put in. So we want the max width to be, say, 600 pixels. We don't put a semicolon. Now as you see, nothing happens because in here, in these curly braces, it's like a separate style sheet. It only applies if the width is under 600 pixels, if the screen width is under 600 pixels. So what we're going to write is, we're going to write the universal selector and write background color to green. This is just for testing, and now as you can see it's green. Now if we make it over 600 pixels, watch how it disappears. So you can see it's only at 600 pixels. Now we don't even need to do it that big, let's just make it a bit smaller. 500, 500 should be fine. So if it's under 500 pixels in width, then it'll apply all the styles between these two curly braces. So now, since we know that, we can apply the styling just for that width for the navigation bar. So what we're going to do is, we're going to write instead of the navigation list items to have display block, we don't want that, because we don't want them in a line, we want them line by line. So what we'll write is display block instead of display inline block, and as you can see they've gone in they've gone vertically listed, and then we can give them some padding. We'll give each item about 4 pixels of padding, and then we'll put a background color onto each item. Put a background color of blue just to see if it's there. As you can see, each item is on its own there, and we'll remove any padding from the navigation because we want each item on its own. So I'm going to write nav and then padding to none. And as you can see, it's removed there, and then we're also going to remove any margin from here. So there we are. Then we'll put like 5 pixels on the top and 0 there. So we've got separate items. It might not be the prettiest, but so yeah, this is how you make a responsive navigation. You can style it a lot more, but that is the basic features of a responsive navigation. And in the next video I'm going to be showing you how to make a button for it to display when you click the button and hide when you click the button again. So yeah, that's the basics of it, and I recommend you style it a bit more to make it look better. But yeah, that's about it. So thank you for watching. Like the video if you liked it, really subscribe, and it really helps me out, and thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.